हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एडुटैप। आई एम तनुश्री। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप में से वो सारे लोग जो सेल्फ स्टडी के थ्रू नबार्ड ग्रेड एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, बहुत मेहनत से तैयारी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन खुद से तैयारी कर रहे हैं, और जो इस वक्त इस चैलेंज को फेस कर रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से हम नबार्ड के लिए अपने सोर्सेज को सॉर्ट आउट करें, कौन से ऐसे सोर्सेज हैं जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हमें अवेलेबल हैं। तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो के अंदर हम उन सारे फ्री रिसोर्सेज के बारे में बात करेंगे, देखेंगे कि कौन से वो यूट्यूब चैनल्स हैं, कौन सी प्लेलिस्ट्स हैं, कौन से वेबसाइट्स हैं जिनको आप रेफर कर सकते हो और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट तैयारी कर सकते हो नबार्ड ग्रेड ए एग्जामिनेशन की। बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो, अगर आप में से कोई भी स्टूडेंट एक ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसने ऑलरेडी कोई कोर्स परचेज कर रखा है किसी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का, प्लीज इस वीडियो को मत देखिए। ये शायद आपके लिए उतनी ज्यादा यूजफुल ना हो। आपने जो भी कोर्स लिया हुआ है आप उसी पे स्टिक करिए। एंड अगर आप सेल्फ स्टडी से भी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर आप अपने सोर्सेस को ऑलरेडी डिफाइन कर चुके हैं, अपने सोर्सेज को ऑलरेडी सेलेक्ट कर चुके हैं, तो भी मैं आपसे कहूंगी कि आप प्लीज इस वीडियो को मत देखिए। आपको इससे बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प नहीं मिलेगी, या हो सकता है कि शायद फोमो में आके आप थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट ही हो जाएं। सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट। इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड योर सोर्सेज, प्लीज स्टिक टू देम, राइट? ऑन दैट नोट, लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज सेशन। बट बिफोर आई डू दैट, तो स्टूडेंट्स, करंटली वी आर रनिंग अ flat 76% off on all our NABARD grade courses. To avail this offer, you can use the code Diwali76, and this code and this offer, it is valid from 22nd to 24th of October 2025. And students, although in this particular video I'm going to talk about all the free resources, apart from the free resources you will require a lot of other information such as the previous year questions, the detailed strategy, decoded syllabus for our exam. So students, in this particular guide book that you are seeing on your screen right now, we have provided all of this information to you at one particular place only. So you can refer to this guidebook, you can download it free of cost, and the link has been provided in the description box below. On that note, let us start our today's session. So students, as we all know that in the phase 1 of our examination, so basically there are two phases, phase 1 and phase 2, and in the phase 1 there are two sections, non-merit section and the merit section, right? In the non-merit section, we have 5 components, that is the quant, reasoning, English, computer knowledge, and decision making. So first of all, let us see what are the sources that you have to refer to as far as the non-merit section is concerned. So students, for the quant, reasoning, and English, on our EduTap channel we have dedicated playlist wherein our star teachers, they are going to cover all the important topics for these 3 components in a good enough and in a detailed manner, so that everything that is required for you to clear the sectional cutoff of the non-merit section is covered in these particular websites, in these particular playlists. So you can refer to these playlists, although the name RBI has been written over here, but these playlists, they are equally important from the NABARD perspective also. So you can refer to these particular playlists on our YouTube channel. Apart from that, students, for the practice purpose, you can visit the website indiabix.com. It is a very good website as far as the practice is concerned. So for any topics, say for example data interpretation, for example, you can click here and then you can select that what kind of chart you want to prepare. So for example, you took a pie chart, right? Now in this you are going to get a lot of the practice questions to see that whether you have prepared the topic in a good enough manner or not. So that is how you can prepare using this website indiabix.com. Right now, students, moving ahead, the next component that we have is the computer knowledge. Now students, in the computer knowledge, first of all, every year once the notification is released, we conduct the revision classes also. So in these classes we teach you the topics also, and apart from that, marathon sessions are also conducted. So you can refer to these classes and these marathon sessions to complete your computer knowledge part. Apart from that, there is this very good website, Geeks for Geeks. So you can refer to this website also, and you can prepare for the computer knowledge part in a good enough manner. Just make sure that while you are going to the website Geeks for Geeks, you basically type the word basics of computer and its operations, Geeks for Geeks. That is how you search for it. Otherwise, this website, it is a huge website and it will be very difficult for you to navigate through it. And here also there is a note of caution that I would like to tell you, that while you are preparing for it and while you are referring to this particular website, just make sure that you prepare or you go through the syllabus and the previous year questions. Otherwise, this website, it is again a very huge website, obviously not created for for the NABARD grade A aspirants, and it covers so many things, right? Now to make sure that you prepare for everything and without wasting your time on the unnecessary things, it is important that you refer to dedicated things only, and that is why to remain in the light of the syllabus and the previous year questions is very very important. And as you can see here, that all the important topics related to our computer knowledge syllabus has been covered over here, be it the basics of computer, the application software, the system software, networks and internet protocols, each and everything has been covered over here, but you just have to smartly navigate through this particular website. And as I've already told you that don't just type the word geeks for geeks, rather type basics of computer and its operations and then geeks for geeks, right? That will take you to the dedicated page, right? Now as far as the decision making component is concerned, so students, this is one area which is not covered in any other examination, but here we have a dedicated playlist again by Jalad sir, a very good faculty for the decision making part. So here through the marathon sessions and through our regular classes, you can cover this particular area in a good enough manner, and again absolutely free of cost using simply YouTube, right? So through YouTube you can cover this complete topic in a good enough manner, this complete subject in a good enough manner, right? Now coming to the merit section, so in the merit section we have three areas: the GA, ESI and ARD. Now students, as far as the GA part is concerned, so for the general awareness you can refer to this playlist of ours, that is the daily current affairs, wherein Divyanshu sir, he takes the general awareness classes wherein he covers the GA part, the ESI related current affairs part, and the social issues related the current affairs part. So all of that is being covered in these daily current affairs, right? Apart from that, students, you can refer to the PIB also. In the PIB also, you can cover all the important government schemes or the reports which have been released. Apart from that, if you wish, you can go to the newspaper also. But if you are covering these two sources, I don't think the newspaper will be of much use. Most of the things will be covered in the previous two sources only. Now coming to the ESI part, so students, in the ESI part you have to cover two things. One is the static part and the another one is the current affairs part. Now as far as the static part is concerned, so in the static part government schemes are, sorry, in the current affairs part the government schemes are of the utmost importance. So you can refer to this playlist of ours, that is the government scheme, wherein Gurkirat sir, he takes the classes and he explains the schemes through a storyline. So that is how you can cover the government schemes part. Apart from that, you can also refer to the press information bureau. For the ESI related general awareness questions, you can either refer to the daily newspaper or you can refer to the daily news playlist of Divyanshu sir, right? So these are the two ways in which you can cover the ESI related current affairs. Now coming to the ESI related static part, so the best source here is the economy lectures of UPSC by Mrunal Patel sir. So all the static part will be covered from these sources. You can refer to them, they are very good. If you want to refer to the websites, you can refer to the indianeconomy.com or econlibrary.org. So these are again two very important and very useful websites as far as the ESI part is concerned. But again, as I've told you, that these websites are very huge website and it will be very difficult for you to navigate through them. So it is better that while searching you simply write say for example financial inclusion, and then you can write indianeconomy.com or econlib.org. That will help you in tracing the topic in a very smooth and easy manner, right? So that is how you can cover the ESI. Now students, talking about the ARD part. So students, first of all, as far as the ARD static part is concerned, you can refer to the ICAR eCourse website and the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University website. Just let me quickly open these websites for you. So if you visit the Agri Gyan website, which is the ICAR eCourse website also, so herein again you are going to get the dedicated topics, dedicated notes for your ARD part, right? But students, as far as the, I think there is some problem in the website here. So yeah, as far as this particular part is concerned, so you have to be very sure that you go through the previous year questions and the syllabus in a good enough manner. Otherwise you will be completely lost, because a lot of information is provided on these particular website. So it is very important that you go through these websites in light of your previous year questions and syllabus. And students, I think there is some issue with the internet and the server, because of which I'm not able to open these websites right now. But again, these websites are very helpful. I think you should definitely refer to them. Apart from that, on YouTube, we have a dedicated ARD simplified series wherein we have covered the all important topics of ARD in a good enough and in a comprehensive manner. So you can watch this particular series for your understanding purpose. Apart from that, as far as the ARD current affairs are concerned, you can refer to our playlist Agriculture and Rural Development Current Affairs. Again, herein we have covered all the important current affairs from the agriculture and rural development perspective. So students, till now we have discussed all the components of phase 1. Now in the phase 2, since the ESI and ARD syllabus is same, the only part that remains unanswered is the descriptive English part and the descriptive writing part of your syllabus, right? So now let us talk about this. See students, in the descriptive writing part, you require two things. The first one is the skill, how to write good answers in a good enough time, and secondly, what is the content, right? Now students, as far as the skill of answer writing is concerned, you can refer to this playlist by Narveer sir. Although this playlist of 2021, but I think the skills never change. So you can refer to this particular playlist, and herein you will get all the tips and tricks of how to write a good essay, how to write a good précis, how to attempt the reading comprehension. So each and every trick will be shared with you over here. As far as the content is concerned, so students, for the content you can refer to either Google or you can refer to Chat GPT also, right? Simply whatever content you want. Say, for example, if you are searching the benefits of agroforestry, you can simply type benefits of agroforestry along with the data on Chat GPT, and it will give you a good enough answer, or it will give you a good enough content that can be utilized by you for the answer writing purpose. So that is how you can prepare for the descriptive answer writing also in a free of cost manner, right? Now students, with this we have discussed all the components and all the free resources that you can refer to for your NABARD grade examination. But if any one of you is still interested in having the paid mentorship, then you can visit our website edutap.in. Here we have dedicated courses for the NABARD grade examination. Now in these courses, first of all, we have a 11-hour trial course. So if you want to see that what is the quality of content that we provide in our other courses, you can refer to this particular course. Apart from that, we have a phase 1 and phase 2 test series, right? And then we have a silver course wherein we provide you the content for the phase 2 and the interview. And apart from that, we have a gold course wherein we provide you the mentorship for the phase 1, phase 2 and the interview part, right? And as I've already told you that currently we are running a flat 76% off on all our NABARD grade courses. You can use the code Diwali76, and this offer is valid from 22nd to 24th of October 2025. So students, on this note, I'm ending this session here. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best.